Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the latest update from Google, the new gradient icon redesign that's rolling out on Android, iOS, and web. This is a major visual revamp for Google's workspace apps, and we're excited to dive in and explore the new design, so let's get started. The new icons are now available on the web app launcher, and they're also rolling out to Android and iOS devices. We've got the full list of updated icons, including Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Chat, Meet, Vids, Forms, Keep, Voice, and Tasks. The design of the new icons is more distinct in terms of color and shape, with each icon having a unique look. The previous mandate of including all four company colors in icons is gone, and we think this is a great move. It makes the icons look more modern and sleek. In terms of specs and performance, the new icons don't require any specific hardware or software, they're just a visual update, but they do look great on the latest Android and iOS devices. We've tested them on a few different phones and tablets, and they look amazing. One of the new features of the updated icons is that they're now appearing in the top left corner of some Google apps, including Google Keep and the home pages for Docs, Sheets, Slides, Vids, Forms, and Sites. This is a nice touch. It makes the apps look more consistent and polished. There aren't any rumors or leaks about future updates to the icons, but we're hoping that Google will continue to refine the design and maybe even update the rest of their suite outside of Workspace. It would be great to see a consistent look across all of Google's apps. The expected release date for the new icons is now. They're rolling out to all users, so you should be able to see them on your device soon, and the price is free, since it's just a visual update. In our verdict, we think the new gradient icon redesign is a great update. It makes Google's workspace apps look more modern and sleek, and we're excited to see where Google takes the design in the future. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We've got new videos every week, and we'd love to have you join our community.